right, we're rolling. I almost wish I could see mic levels here, but I trust them. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm gonna have to show the intakes then. Maybe when we go to swap them. We're gonna do it.
I'm trying to think what else will be relevant for, I guess.
Probably just boost and air, just to make sure we're running the same boost.
Oh yeah.
Simple, real simple. Spark,
Easy,
boost.
easy,
Because if it's still the same boost and spark, it makes 50 horsepower.
Yeah.
We're doing an apples to apples Gen 3 to China sniper swap with the same 72mm throttle. That's the thing. See if the intake does it. And then we'll have to put a 92 on it. Fourth gear, right?
Yeah.
Oh, gee, wow. Learn how to drive.
I don't think we can start in fourth gear.
Was that fourth? Oh no, I thought I was in first. Yeah, my legs are short, I'm sorry.
I got little legs.
It's like 410s or something, right?
473s.
Oh yeah, that won't be crazy. Go $2,000. Good?
Wait.
Good.
Oh, look at this button. I don't have to.
Ready?
Knock over the golf clubs.
Perfect.
Yeah. It was like 6.5 pounds boost on gate.
Yeah, we saw 6.5 and it tapered very lightly. Look at that, isn't that sick? And then yeah, 433 and 427. And then I'll do the horsepower per pound thing quick. Yeah, that'll be interesting if it's asking for more or less.
Yeah.
Straight back into it. Oh, come on. It's like right off I'm like not used to the height.
Yeah.
That's what we'll call it. It's pretty low on the K truck. The first couple times I stole the balls out of it. Also, there's no room for your feet. If your feet are my size, which is basically every man in America, you have to learn how to anyway.
You're doing an ankle and not a leg.
Yeah, and then if your foot's over too far, the steering column is there.
Yeah.
So you go to brake and you smash the steering column and you're like, it scares the shit out of you. Anyway. Ready?
Ready.
We're 33. 21 horsepower per pound.
Oh wow.
Isn't that sick? 6 pounds, 21 horsepower per pound.
Slightly more boost. 6.9.
Those are peaks.
Yeah.
See, well, I could set it to show averages. Oh, is that TV on? What am I doing today? Welcome to Chris and Courtney's intake swap.
Where's the button? I know there's a button for it. Oh, stop.
We're dealing with some gosh dang hull tech today. I'm gonna have to give him a free holly to make him swap.
I'm ready whenever you are.
I'm getting that clutch placement now. Ready?
Yep.
Oh no, 424 now. They're almost identical.
Yeah, I was gonna say. It's just the wiggles at the end there.
Yeah, sometimes you get like a little bounce in the car.
I think we went slightly higher and boosted right at peak torque.
Okay, we jumped right to the dyno pulls, but we're doing 5.3, 7875, T56, 50% ethanol, Gen 3 intake, Gen 3 throttle, and we're swapping to the Yesma Chinese intake that I bought 2 of that actually seemed incredible. So I said to Chris and Courtney, let's A to B it, or A to A it actually.
Yeah.
So we just made the 3 hits, 430 rear wheel average. Gonna swap the intake on and even adapt so there's no throttle body adding the power. We're gonna see if it's just the intake and swap-a-roo and floor it. All right, we got the intake swapped. We're gonna make our first hit. I knew that sound immediately.
It's so much louder.
That's what I told you. It sounds like your engine's done. Intake manifold staying on, hopefully take 2. Alright kids, preliminary is not good. We lost horsepower everywhere. I'm talking to the mic. I said preliminary is not great. We lost everywhere. Twice in a row. Alright, we're going for the 3rd and maybe a 4th to do a backup run. Well, boys, I'm not even going to dyno anymore. Nope.
Just so you know.
Okay, so, I was expecting this, but I was still kind of surprised and unhappy that it did it because the base model Gen 3 intake is not that great, and it's still doing better than this everywhere so far. It even dropped off the horsepower per pound. You can see on the dyno plot that the boost amounts are completely the same. In some spots, we lost a little bit more than 10%, and some spots it was only 6%. But overall, it's like a 8 to 9% loss at only 400-ish horsepower to the tire. So if you apply that percentage at a higher horsepower level, it's even more loss. So this stuff does not work. I think I want to do a little bit more testing on it on a naturally aspirated car with different throttle body sizes, but I assume the same things are going to happen or worse because it has no turbo. But still want to try it a little bit more. Let me know what you guys think of this. We'll see what happens. I believe I fixed my microphones also. No more left and right thing fighting.